Bank of America warning: buy as much XRP as you can. XRP is the only cryptocurrency with a purpose. Bear with us until we explain why. The investors all around the world are attracted towards XRP because they know it has real-world uses. In fact, not only investors. It is believed that XRP is a cryptocurrency for the banks too. It is being said that banks and other financial institutions around the globe are looking forward to it. At first, it was said that XRP token was only for banks, but now things have changed. A bunch of major banks are signaling us to invest in this unique cryptocurrency. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We're going to talk about the fact that the Bank of America, along with many other major banks, are indicating to us to invest in XRP. Are banks taking advantage of Ripple and its technology? Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So, if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
When Ripple was created, the main purpose of the coin was to provide a better alternative to Swift, something that can perform what Swift is offering, but in a better way. Now, as most of you are aware of, the fact that Swift was expensive, and at the same time, it took at least 5 days for a transaction, whereas Ripple's XRP offers the fastest and cheapest transactions with a transaction time of 3 to 5 seconds at most. Likewise, Ripple's XRP is the cheapest and fastest currency when it comes to cross-border payments and other payment issues. Recently, in a Zoom meeting, Barbara Weiss, the Director and Senior Client Integration Product Manager at the Bank of America, said that Ripple is a tough competition to Swift, and it is going to replace the traditional and conventional methods of payment. Barbara also said that there are 56 real-time rails globally, so it is difficult to connect the payments from one system to another. So the challenge for a truly interoperable course for the payment is developing the most effective way to connect these networks to move money seamlessly in real time. You guys are aware of the fact that there are a lot of problems with time zones, with local currency controls and banking infrastructure like fax processing. Now, Swift works to connect these real-time rails using Swift's Instant, but a major competitor to Swift these days is Ripple. Ripple uses distributed ledger technology to solve corresponding banking challenges, and its technology offers bi-directional messaging in the payment system. It likewise offers legitimate transactions, and the interesting part is that you can know when, where, and who is performing the transaction. The banks that are using RippleNet are actually able to exchange bilateral payment instructions in real time, an environment with locals. There is competition in the system, and the DLT is changing its stance. The XRP community, referred to as the XRP Army, knew from the start that RippleNet has potential and could essentially become a competitor to Swift. You might think that the XRP Army's opinion is biased, but that's just not it. The Bank of America has now confirmed the XRP Army's so-called opinion. Barb Weiss has been serving the bank for 21 years and 2 months now. Her opinion isn't biased. She has vast experience and she knows what she's talking about, and high time we trust her. Ripple is a major threat to Swift. Moving on, it is not the first time that the Bank of America has talked about Ripple. Previously, with a website update, Ripple's XRP validated its claim to be partnering with the Bank of America. One of the major banks in the United States is now using RippleNet technology, which incorporated XRP along with hundreds of other financial institutions. So besides Barb Weiss's declaration, Ripple, one of the world's major blockchain startups, has also confirmed a collaboration rumor that has been floating around about a month. With the website update, the company added the Bank of America logo among its partners. Ripple also supplied technology infrastructure to the Bank of America, and it has ties with large banks like Standard Chartered and Santander. It is important to know that this partnership did not come out of the blue. At the Swell event organized by the company last year, it was announced that the Bank of America uses X-current technology. Later, in a patent application filed previously, the bank also mentioned Ripple. These details, however, were insufficient to corroborate a collaboration between the Bank of America and Ripple Labs. The cooperation between these two names is now publicly shared. According to material on Ripple's website, Bank of America has been appointed a prominent member of RippleNet, the company's worldwide network of banks and financial institutions. Strictly speaking, the company said, the RippleNet membership is a network of leading financial institutions that collectively and democratically govern and evolve RippleNet. These institutions work to standardize global cross-border transactions. It creates a community, regionally and globally, where members can learn and share insights and best practices as their use of RippleNet grows and build new commercial relationships with other members. Although Ripple first announced a partnership with the Bank of America back in 2016, details on exactly how the financial giant is utilizing Ripple's payment products have trickled out at a slow pace. So we see that these major banks and financial institutions are working in the background with Ripple, but they abstained from revealing such information. They know what Ripple and XRP hold and what is the future of the payment company and its cryptocurrency. These banks have been working secretly with Ripple, and now the officials are also confirming that they are in favor of Ripple Labs instead of the traditional old school ways that are not only expensive, but also very slow. In reality, all the banks that are on the forefront do not show any connection with Ripple and its technology and are using it behind the scenes. Just as Bank of America has revealed their support for Ripple's XRP and replacing the traditional payment system, slowly all the other banks will be in the same line. For now, most of the banks are either working directly or indirectly with Ripple. Around 400 banks are working with Ripple and using its technology for different payments solutions. Ripple's website states, RippleNet is a new era of finance. It makes it easier than it's ever been to run a high-performance business. With the most advanced blockchain technology for global payments, financial institutions are able to expand into new markets around the world and even eliminate pre-funding by leveraging the power of XRP through RippleNet's on-demand liquidity service. RippleNet's official website says, together with our customers, we are building a more inclusive financial system where more people and SMEs have access to better financial services. In a nutshell, Ripple's XRP has always been known as a cryptocurrency for banks. Ripple is an electronic type of crypto, which also gives banks the infrastructure they need to transmit payments more swiftly than SWIFT. No pun intended. Now, you should know that Ripple differs from most cryptocurrencies in the sense that its users can access it and use it with any bank rather than just one sort of network. If you have any accounts with different providers, it is the ideal digital coin for you. In a recent article, the Investor Place has also stated that one of the most intriguing things about Ripple is how it can exist in three separate but related forms. The first is its network, which facilitates digital payments. Secondly, you got XRP, a cryptocurrency built on top of one specific version within that same payment system called the XRP ledger. Finally, Ripple Labs itself is responsible for developing and maintaining the Ripple payment protocol and exchange network. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. This content in this video is for instructive purposes only and should not be considered as monetary guidance. do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about Bank of America's warning. Do you own any XRP, or would you consider buying some? Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.